let's continue our discussion for our CSA project in Rwanda. So, for Rwanda, we are focusing on coffee and tea farmers, smallholder farmers, and particularly women and the youth. So, for our coffee and tea project or CSA project in Rwanda, we will do drip irrigation ROI. So probably $200 per hectare kit. That will save 50% of the water. It will lift coffee cherries 25%. And then the ROI will probably be in 4 months. This will be perfect for drought prone tea plots targeting 40 million seedlings by 2029. And then the next one, we will be pruning for exports. We will have selective cuts, probably 87 over 100 cupping scores, like the Tuongere Kawa Co-op. And then we will unlock 20% premiums at $40 per kilo or $2 local. So 70% of Rwandan coffee are now certified. So that's a good one to scale. The next is climate proof our plot. So that's mulch plus shade trees. Cut tea losses 30%. It could hit 175 million export goal. So we can pair that with our GPS trucks for a 24-hour farm to dryer. And then lastly, we will have co-op cash farm to 116 million exports. We will have an app links to 50 co-ops and then probably reduce 2 to 3 days delays to hours. 30% less waste. So, again, let me summarize. Probably we will have around initially 500,000 for our pilot fund in Rwanda. But again, that depends on the response of the farmers, the smallholder tea farmers and the smallholder coffee farmers in Rwanda. So I'll be waiting for your response. You can email me or send me a message anywhere on my socials, and we can discuss about details about coffee project and tea project in Rwanda.